gonna be showing y'all how to remove a dishwasher. First one to remove the 2 screws right below there using a hex. Should be 2 screws like this. Some have 2, some have 4. Let's remove them. The other side. After removing your screws, you're gonna see the silver box. Remove the hex screw. There you should find your wires. Electrical wires, your black and white. By now, you should undo your breaker at the breaker box. If you haven't already, you should do it now before you go any further. Okay, after you disconnect your, do your breaker box and disconnect your wiring, you want to come in here under the sink and turn off your water supply to the dishwasher. And one note to be careful with spiders. They do like to crawl up underneath your dishwasher. I will take care of a little guy here in a minute. Okay, after removing your water supply, go ahead and open up your dryer, your dishwasher. Should be 2 screws. Go ahead and remove that one and that one. Just like that. And then you can pull out your dishwasher. After you pull it out just enough where you don't stretch out your water supply. I undid the electrical. This will pick the water here, going to your disposal. You can undo this hose either from here. You just got a water hose clamp. You can undo it and undo it from here, so you can able to pull out your old dishwasher, or you can do it from under the sink. Either way is fine, whatever is easier. I'm gonna go ahead and change this copper line to this line right here. This is a dishwasher line. It's got the adapter built into it with the 3/8 on the other end. That will go right here. We'll remove the adapter earlier. It will go right something like this on the frontal side. We go right in there. The other end will of course go into my water line right back there. Well, let's do it. Came to find out they had this electrical extension cord cut up. So what I'm gonna do, I'll take this off, take this outlet off, and put electrical ground cable here. Let's do it. We have made our connections coming from the wall. Now I just have to push the dishwasher inside. I'm gonna make your final connections right here. Plug your new flexible hose into your new dishwasher. Make sure it's tight, check for leaks. And then push it in. I got my connections right here. Let you plug it up in this box. Same thing. White with white, black with black, and your copper. Make sure to use your wire nut. Put it back in place. Then push it straight, level it. Put the front cover up, same as the one before. Put your cables back in this box here, and you're done. If you like this, hit like, leave a comment. Thank you. Peace. Okay, this is a bonus tip. Before you put your water hose back into your disposal, if it's a new disposal, make sure you break the tip inside, and then connect your water hose. If you had a disposal that was connected to your dishwasher, then just go ahead and plug it up and put your clamp. Here's the different sizes: 3/4, your inch, and your 5/8. Just cut them. Another tip before you put it back in, make sure you clean this exhaust from your disposal. Clean it up, make sure there's nothing, because you can see there's gunk, and this gunk usually, it smells really, really bad and goes up into your, or out your sink. Then you get that yunky smell. So you just want to kind of just wipe it off.